Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Bite. What is top of mind for every supply chain executive post-election? It's tariffs, tariffs, and more tariffs. So what do we do about this situation? So I have two suggestions. First, if you're manufacturing in the United States already, ramp it up. There is no doubt your customer volume is going to increase as your competition struggles. Also, you're likely to get additional customers coming to you to produce for you. So definitely ramp it up, increase your capacity. Second of all, if you are not producing in the United States already, you need to be thinking reshoring, reshoring, and reshoring. Unfortunately, you cannot snap your fingers and just reshore in a day. So in addition to reshoring immediately, you need to be finding additional sources of supply and bringing on additional suppliers in the United States and close to the United States to support your needs while you are reshoring. So think reshoring and think ramp it up for this week's Supply Chain Bite.